Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Dear students, in the previous lesson we studied the diversity, the definition of the diversity and the different types of diversities. So dear students, as you know that there are variety of living organisms on this planet which we call as the biodiversity. Biodiversity not only involves animals but it also includes plants as well as the microorganisms. So dear students, there are uncountable number of plants and animals on the earth. Today we will discuss how we will name the different plants and different animal species. As we are aware that one animal is called by different names, or a particular plant or animal is called by different names in different regions of the world. For example, if we say dog is called kutta in Hindi, cooker in Bangla, and nai in Tamil, it means a dog is called by so many names in different regions. So it is necessary to have a common name for all living organisms all over the world. For example, a man is called as the Homo spanus. If we say Homo span is the scientific name of the man. In any part of the world, when we say Homo span, we may understand it is a man. So another example, we may say that when we say frog, in Urdu we say it is a mendak. In different parts of the world it is named by different names. So the scientists, the biologists make a common name, make a name what is called as the scientific name. The scientific name of frog is Rana tigrana. You see here it is written on the book Rana tigrana. So Rana tigrana is a frog, and in any part of the world, in any region of the world, frog is named by Rana tigrana. So the biologists or the special this group which we call as taxonomists or the biologists, and these taxonomists, they have the work, they classify the living organisms and they name the different living organisms, different biodiversity on the earth. So today we will discuss the binomial nomenclature. Bi means two and nomenclature means naming. So we can give two names to the living organisms. A name which contains two parts. It is not two names, it is a name which contains two parts, two major names. The first name is the name of genus to which the living organism belongs. Another name is the name of species to which the organism belongs. This scientific name, it is a unique, it is understood and followed all over the world. This name is not changed easily. These names are given by the International Code of Biological Nomenclature. So it is convention that genus name, generic name is always written first with initial letter in capital. Species name is written after the genus name and its initial letter is always small. Both names of the individual are printed in italics. When handwritten, both are underlined. For example, Rana, Tigrana. So Rana, the first letter of Rana is R. Tigrana, first letter of Tigrana, T is small. So Rana is the genus name of frog. Tigrana is the species name of frog. It means the frog has different species. Okay? And these names are always written in italics. And when we write them with hands, we may underline both. Rana is separately underlined, Tigrana is separately underlined. So both names are usually Latin names or have Latin endings. So dear students, you see here in the book nomenclature, binomial nomenclature system, the full name of lion is Panthera leo. Panthera is the genus name, Leo is its species name. Similarly, we have Panthera tigris is the leopard's name. Panthera pardus is the snow leopard's name. Panthera unix, so Homo spanus is the scientific name of man. So this binomial nomenclature of animals and plants was first given by Carl Linnaeus in his book that is called A Species Plantarum, this book written by the Linnaeus. So Linnaeus is also called as the father of taxonomy. Taxonomy involves the classification of these plants and animals and the naming of the different plants and animals. So dear students, all these different organisms are classified into different categories, and these organisms have given the scientific names. So far as the plants are called, plant name is also called as the botanical name, and the animal name is called as the zoological name. So dear students, we may also get different names of plants and animals from our book. So at least you may remember names of these some plants, some animals that are written in your textbook. That is the name of frog, Rana tigrana, the name of Homo spanus. Homo spanus is the scientific name of man. Panthera leo is the scientific name of tiger and leopard. Panthera tigris is the scientific name of tiger. Panthera pardus is leopard's scientific name, and Panthera unicus is the snow leopard's scientific name. So dear students, we will learn the names of different plants and animals in a separate video. Dear students, stay connected.